Hi. Today I will show you how to download and install a new hack for WALKEN. Follow the link in the description, there you will find a link to download the archive. I have already downloaded this archive, so in order not to wait, let's move on to the next step. Unpack the archive, for example, to the desktop. The password to the archive will be in the description and on the screen. Also, please remember that the antivirus may react badly to this hack, so disable it if you want everything to work without problems.